When I was younger, I talked Cherokee because that's all I heard. So I heard a lot of stories in the shade trees, like in summertime when they pull the chairs out there. I guess before then, way back in the past, you know, they were outdoors people, so they just passed down their information to their kids, and then grandkids got hold of them and keep on down. So I guess what I learned from mom and dad came from grandma and grandpa, and probably from way my ancestor, I guess, just pass them down. Mom was from on the other side of Welland. That's where she used to live. She liked to ride horses, so that was what she enjoyed doing now with her grandpas. Eventually, though, I wound up with some ropes, too, and I thought that was neat. And so I guess that was my cowboy days, I guess you could say. After the mom and dad passed away, we didn't see my relatives that much, and looking for a job, make some money, but I did get a job like home health. But I was working in nursing home before that, and I felt good in nursing home because I got the chance to speak to some elders in there who talked Cherokee, and I felt good. I guess I must have been missing Cherokee language, I guess, because it felt so comfortable. Finally, a job showed up, and so that's what I did for a couple of years. I taught Cherokee, and then after 2 years, after I taught there, this another program was going to start, online class. And I was kind of nervous, too. I look at it, it looked like a bunch of needles shooting at you or something like that, you know. I couldn't see it that well, but they were looking, but I still get a little nervous because I can't see them. But I do see them when they come here, they come and visit live. They sit in our live classes that I do in between those online classes, I do immersion classes. You know, Agaska, Ama, Agaska. And so I start telling about how I grew up and start some story or something like that. Then they got to where I said, this has really helped. You're telling stories like that. I didn't see how it helps, I just told them, you know. But they said they learned from it. It's been that way since.
Because he's older, he can tell you, well, this is how they say it, but this is how we said it back then. It was like, when I got Ed, I was like, oh, wow, because, you know, he was throwing stories and stuff in there that comes with that age and, you know, growing up, and could share those memories because Native people tell stories where, you know, we were all oral at one point in time before everybody decided to put everything on paper.
Online students are all walks of life, you might say. We had every kind, from teacher instructors to policemen and preachers, and take the classes, all walks of life. They have interest in Cherokee, I guess. So if they want to learn, I guess that's my job. The ones who come here, like the last class, we had one from South Carolina and Tennessee, one from Boston, and then we had one from Russia, and a few from Germany. Somebody mentioned, like, a long time ago, say, you're kind of like a ambassador, aren't you? I said, I guess. Teaching it, share it with the learners, because it always felt good when, especially young ones, you know, they're trying to learn the language. It always felt good to, it's kind of like passing it on. I'm gonna tell y'all a story, Kohiga. A long, long time ago, there was this a native or a Cherokee. Well, he was a hunter, and he would hunt food for his wife and his son. And so he'd hunt. No, snarle nystan nola on higiske. It's gone east. It don't what that goes no nigis no. Got shot hank on the hand. No, that's still hank got shot. And I got it this guy. Nola, just say nola. Nola goes you what nola. I looked at you was that you get. You wear this nola. You had no. Nola hill had no. Join us and nola with the late nola on this day goes no step. You look away to no step person. Nola so nola. Snarlness to nola. No, you I was getting us to no stuff. Nola. You get with it. I'm going to guess and on the guest door what here. On the guest. No, walk this and nola. Still in a hill with us list on here. That was the goes okay. With us no. Snarle and the geese no here. Slaya. Så jeg delte ikke lykke, og jeg var under stelt. Så når jeg kan næste op og sådan stelt. Når jeg skal næste det skal nå. Når så last year det gas det skal nå. no sawa ig no gatlaska no la e gatlaska no la sati gatlaska no la ina te weje no la no snarly in gees la no and the was we lost us plaza no gatlaska no la sanilsana sa ta so not is sida galko channel sonne sko he kele galka yo ha no sta joina sa ina to ga danele yo was ele dele ada ita iganetla ta se hiata ta ele ichno se ta so wa ta na he shanala ngastna ke ya wilo cha o na hasta na no jo lesta ta pictiesti se nakiga kostani losi naki wakti hesten nagaye hesti hile ne galosai alas kutalina galosi hesti chi hile ne galosai joinesko me galosai nana nakina skinata galosa skina hiola agosela wa dana so snale nustan ke wulisja ustalna aktie kalchaten na waja kalenti waja sko aktie no tagana kostet noslista inga te jaisa til kwa ulosa kost inga se ydyllä höyjostis kun haluat squeeze tawelle go koste tatiwelle sen slana ikanetla hestejosela atautusella no ala talena utanist ilosa sa no ego gai talena ke sa ego stege joskeist ilosa se nelta ni ole no ego te ilosa ita jela uelesa sana Tlachi josta wasela sana negalosa no joina nola utagan inget kostiaise ilosa eldega just aise se toi hayo ich gai jilosa gujiolega also kostetojike squeeze kostetojike asena tlatsa wasela ten no nakina no gesa no kostitagan sti aistase we kit aise Gardilosella nisso se ujotle no usti de ganna na enige ehi na willitsa ost the one ella kilogo just na uwentana nagala no na uwita no joina sno willis no Eudan negat steto chiwa ta toisti hen toha ego losa ego sentla sai chila akskasa ge ganetla sa toi hayo awele seo losa skena ta chetla ige nana udali hekta aktana dala sa uktahan degat ego utan nason utan is
What's the moral of the story?
What they used to tell me was that when you listen to your creator, and believe in the creator and be obedient to the creator, he provides everything you need, So no matter how little it seems, it's always more than enough.